Hello my boy, welcome to this new programming video. Today we are going to solve a question of find the duplicate number. I know it sounds very trivial, very simple. Trust me, it's not because of the boundary you are being given. First of all, I cannot modify the array. Second of all, I cannot create any other extra set or algorithm. That means I cannot use hash map. I cannot use the function of sorting. Why? Because it all requires something which is overriding these conditions, that you cannot change the array. Sorting requires you to change this if you are doing it in place. If you are not doing it in place, if you are creating a new array, that means that you are over, that means you are like not considering this condition that we go one extra space. We have to solve this and we go one extra space. There is one new algorithm that I found out through a really interesting medium. I'll give the link in the description. This was a perfect video which I needed to understand this. It was like super comedy one, but I got the hint from it. Okay, the algorithm that we are gonna use is called as Floyd Hairs algorithm. That's like, I don't know how it works. Like I now I know how it works, but so there is like two characters in this. One is one which moves slow. I think that's Floyd, and Hair is the one which moves at a double speed. So we have to figure out a cycle, and from that cycle we can get an idea of which are the numbers that are being duplicated. Let me just figure it out for you. Okay, so what we are going to do is that first of all, let's make slow is equal to 0, fast is equal to 0, check is equal to 0. For I in nums, let me just gonna do, no, for now not I in nums, we have to go like an infinite loop while true, in which we are gonna do is that slow is equal to nums of slow, while fast is equal to nums of fast, not fat, fast. If slow is equal to fast, just break this. Once we are done, we got the value of like we got the value. We have to try it one more time, in which now we will figure out the duplicate element. Just go this, just do it again. Slow is equal to num. So now do it with check. Nums of check. Slow is equal to check, break, return, check. I think that will work. Boom. Now how that works, let me just explain it. So what we are going to do is that we have taken three, like what we are going to do is that let me just write it and then you can explain, I can explain you. Okay, we have this list. Okay, in this list what we are trying to do is both the index, it is slow and fast, both are being started from 0. Now slow is the one which will move ahead slowly compared to that of the Floyd will move, like if this is on 1, Floyd will be on n. This will continue till slow and Floyd both are pointing same direction. At that point you will get to know which one is the breaking point. Now we know that this one is the breaking point, but we do not know that which element it is. For that we have to iterate through that loop one more time. This is like the example of a linked list. I will explain more when we will get to the linked list part, but for now use the Floyd, if I don't remember the name, Hare Floyd algorithm. I forgot the name. So that's what the name is, where it's like, just a minute, I have to remember the name. Whenever I see this video, I am so intrigued. Floyd's tortoise and hare. This is the way in which we can explain this. Let me just tell you how it works. So first of all, this is Floyd and this is like the hare's tortoise. I don't know which one is. Okay, this is a Floyd's tortoise. This is tortoise. This one is turtle, rabbit. So the tortoise will move only one step, not one step, but it will move comparatively slower to the rabbit, while rabbit may move really fast. Okay, so when we will have figured out a cycle, then we can move one more time. Then in okay, then we have figured this out. Then you can again try this one more time, and then you can exactly know that which is the element that is being repeated twice in that cycle only. That's how it's gonna work. So it was really a great video. I will link it in the description as well. Okay, bye.